Okay, so hi guys, this is Techholic and I'm back with another video. So I think you guys remember I have purchased this laptop Lenovo ThinkBook I think a month or two ago. So lots of people are asking me to upload a full review of this laptop, and I've using this laptop for last 1 month or more than a month. I've been mostly using this for the coding and my office stuff. So let me give you not a full review, but yeah, what I have seen and what are the questions you guys have been asking. So I will answer those questions in this video also. So let's get to it. So first of all, I have removed the Windows from this laptop completely because Windows is not for my use. I need Ubuntu in it. So I have already uploaded a video how to install Ubuntu in this video. So you can see that I'm using Ubuntu in this laptop. So it's working great. So as far as the battery goes, so this laptop give me around 3 to 4 hours of battery backup, and a standby time of I think 8 hours. So yeah, it is a pretty good battery for this laptop. And this laptop doesn't heat up as much as people say. Well, it only has one fan right here, so it doesn't heat up as much as you think. So let's see some questions which I got from you. So there is one person asked that any screen bleeding in this laptop. So when I was buying this laptop, I checked on the review. There are so many people who said that there is a bleeding issue in this laptop. So yes, I face some screen bleeding issue. Let me show you by opening a YouTube video. I think you might see there. So there is a screen bleeding in this laptop, you can see, but it does not bother me as much because I'm not using it for consuming the media or watching videos or something like that. So that is not an issue for me. But yeah, screen bleeding issue in this laptop is here. You can find it. I don't know, I can show it to you. Yeah. So yeah, as I think I cannot show you right now, but yeah, I have faced the screen bleeding issue. The another question which I have, that does this laptop have fan sound or something like that. So I've used this laptop for a month now, and I've used some heavy applications in this laptop. But yeah, it get you can hear fan sometimes, but is not much as it will bother you. So yeah, a little bit fan sound here, it is here in this laptop, but not much. You can hear the fans when it's working very hard. It get heat, not much, but yeah, it has a fan sound, not as much as people say in the review. The another question is which generation of processor this laptop have. So it has Ryzen 5 7000 series AMD. So it has that processor. And yeah, I think I've got some little only 3 to 4 questions from you guys. So as far as my review goes, you can see that it give you a really good battery life. Okay, it does not heat up. I've played some games in this laptop also where before converting it into Ubuntu. So yeah, it can play a light gaming. You can do light gaming in this laptop also. You can consume data, you can consume the media here. uh, Only the screen bleeding issue is there. You can see some bleeding here. I think you might see. Overall, it is a really good laptop for working professionals, for people who who code, for people who want to consume media. But yeah, I don't think this laptop will work wonders as a gaming laptop, because this is not a gaming laptop. Okay, and you cannot use it for video editing and rendering. It won't work in that case. Its fingerprint scanner still working in Ubuntu also, so that is a good thing. Wi-Fi works fine. I'm getting great internet speeds here. So overall, it is a pretty good laptop. I have bought it for around 40,000, I think, as far as I remember. But right now, I think Amazon is selling it for around 52,000. So yeah, if you are planning to buy this laptop, just wait for a little bit, it might go down. So it is a pretty good laptop for the price. It is a metal build, as you can see. This thing is metal. The keyboard is backlit. This is metal. This part is plastic only. Yeah, this part is plastic only. And what I have done my research, and I think it has one more RAM slot. Right now it's coming with 16 gigs of RAM, but you can upgrade it to 64 GB. So here if I show you in about section, so as you can see, it has 16 gigs of RAM right now, and it can go till 64 GB, and it comes with 512 GB of NVMe SSD. You can increase it, I think, to 340 B. I don't know that, I have not researched it yet. So yeah, you can do that. And it has integrated graphics, Radeon graphics. This is a pretty good laptop for the budget. So if you want to buy it, I will put the link in the description below. You can buy it right there. This is you can see a small review for the laptop for from 1 month I have been using this. If you guys have another question, you can ask in the comments below, and I'll try to answer all of your question by making another video or directly in the comments. So if you guys like this video, please subscribe and put your question in the comments. And if you want to buy this laptop, I'll put the link in the description below. Bye.